Hey guys, was actually working on a side project here and decided to give a tackle to the song, the Father song that's in August Rush. It's actually an incomplete song as far as I know. It has never been fully written, just the first verse and what sounds like could be a chorus. So I've taken what is actually played in the movie and finished out the lyrics. To the best of my ability. So I hope you enjoy this. Again, the name of the song is Father's Song. Father, hear me when I call your name. I need you to answer me now. Father, here I am, weak in your sight. Can you rescue me now? I'm crying out, can't figure it out all alone. Hear me now. Father, be by my side. Take my hand. I need you to walk with me now. Be here, be more than words to this broken heart. I don't want to give in to doubt. I'm crying out, can't figure it out all alone. Hear me now. Oh, comfort me, I'm lost where I am. Father, hear my words. I'm down on my knees. You are my only hope now.